Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So it's currently the 18th of April 2023, and I just want to run you guys through another trade, or actually two trades that we caught this morning pre-London Open and going into the London session. Both trades were on the US30 and the Nasdaq. We caught two buys there. Um, so yeah, I thought I'd do a quick breakdown for you guys. Before I head on to the chart, I want to show you guys the signal room. These were the two signals that I sent out this morning at 7:21 South African Standard Time and US30 Nasdaq. Obviously, these prices are based on the recommended broker that we use, which is Raise FX. I'll drop the link in the description box down below for you guys. Do check them out. They've got the lowest spreads in the game, instant execution, no manipulation, and withdrawals are pretty much the same day. So yeah, let's get down into it. Both signals were buys on Nasdaq, and this was my thought process behind it. All right, so if you haven't already, please watch the last two videos of mine where I broke down, what bias I am looking at for US30. I'll start off with US30. So do watch those videos so that you get more insight into why I keep looking for bias currently. So price obviously respected. If you look at the 4 hour time frame, this is what I was looking at today. The 4 hour time frame, we held at the support level, broke out the retest, turned support. I mean resistance turned support, held at the support, and then we basically mere fact that this area down here held was my indication that I'm still looking for longs all the way up to 34,250 psychological level, and then possibly even the 34,500 psychological level. So yeah, going into this morning, my bias was definitely bullish. When you drop down into the 1 hour time frame, so on the 1 hour time frame, this is what we were looking at. Let's just replay this back to here. All right, so on the 1 hour, there we go. 1 hour time frame, we know that we had another level of resistance turn support up here. Can mark that out here. Okay, so that was another level of resistance on support. We had a ceiling down here, a ceiling up here, broke out, came back, retested. We had another rally before price came back down, traded below the support level, but then managed to somehow trade above and then hold at that level. So last night's PM session gave us this rally to the upside, taking out some structure here. So we looked at this entire Asian range or consolidation as an area for us to capitalize on. If you look into it further, we had another level of support that had formed here. So support breakout came back, retested, and we held at the support, showing us good signs of exhaustion in this area. So drop down onto your 30-minute time frame. Not really 30. We can go straight to the 15. So on the 15-minute chart, I noticed that we had these levels or lows here. I'm just going to remove this support. We know that it's held, and we were looking for longs due to that. I just want to draw this up. We have these two lows sitting there. This is typical equal lows, liquidity. So we know liquidity rests below these lows. Price then dipped down, swept that liquidity with this candle wick here. We also were in this demand area here. That was a demand area. Price tapped into the demand and then held at the support, which was there, that area, and also gave us this breakout of this correction that we saw happen here. That was a liquidity sweep. We had the correction that happened here and a beautiful breakout. So when I saw these impulsive candles here on the 5 minutes, gave us a better entry here. There we go. So the 5 minute basically changed structure up in this area here. That was our change in character where we took this high and then we pulled back and gave us this engulfing candlestick over here. So we pretty much got in somewhere around here with my stop loss being below this low. And I was targeting at least 1,000 pips off the trade. We ended up getting much more than that. Okay, so that was the trade there. As we broke out, and upon that morning, that engulfing candlestick there. So we play this. There we go. So immediately into profit, no drawdown. Bang, TP smashed. So we closed out about 1,000 pips on that. If we left runners, that was about 1,300 odd pips. And it was pretty much the same sort of concept or strategy that we used going into the Nasdaq. So we quickly break it down. On the Nasdaq, it was very much the same. So we've got okay, there we go. All right, so this is the Nasdaq. We had again the impulsive move from last night, PM session, New York PM session, where price managed to close above this level of support. So we closed above here with this engulfing candle. We had this impulse. You know what I always teach, we get the impulse, and then you typically start to see the correction that forms thereafter, and then the next leg for the impulse. So that's impulse, correction, impulse. So again, a key area to look out for was this area here, because we had a resistance there. And if you dropped down to your 15-minute time frame, there we have it. So we have the double bottom from last night showing us bullish momentum, and that was the correction on Nasdaq, coupled with the support level that held there. So at a support, pull it across, you'll see it's a level of support / resistance. So support, resistance, breakout, came back, retested, took this low down here, and gave us, strong bullish pressure. There we are. Again, we entered here as we took this high. So this was the high to look out for. This was the high that we needed to look out for. And once we took that high, you could have confirmed your change in character, which was there. Price rallied, came back somewhat, retested the backside of that trend line. My entry was here before we even broke out, because I saw price take that structure and change character. And again, target area, first take profit was here, 13,100 level. Next take profit was 1,000 pips, which was all the way at 13. I think it's 13. 180 somewhere here. Yeah, it was 170. So you just play this, you'll see what I'm looking at. There we go. Both trades, US30 and Nasdaq, ran 1,000 pips without any drawdown this morning. Brilliant trades. Bang, take profit hit. Right, that's basically it. It doesn't get any simpler than that. If you adhere to your risk parameters, you'll be good. So I hope you found this informative. If you do, please drop a like and a comment in the comment box below. I will leave the link to my recommended broker below, as well as my online course and Signals room / VIP trading room if you guys are interested in any of those purchases. Okay, until we chat again, take it easy. Ciao.